Dear students, now we are going to draw your orthographic view of your given pictorial diagram. As I already mentioned to you, so this arrow mark indicates your front view of your diagram. So on your front view, I have shaded with your green color, which will be able to view your which and all will be visible on your front view. See over here, this curve will be visible, this part and this part will be visible on your front view. Similarly on your top view, what and all will be visible, I have just shaded with your blue color. Similarly here I can able to get only your left side view, so that has been shaded with your brown color. See students, whenever you are drawing your orthographic view, be clear with your diagram. Okay, so if you have misjudged your diagram, your entire diagram will be wrong. So here I am going to use your line command as well as your circle command to draw your entire diagram. Okay, here I am going to use your modify commands like trim to draw this front and top view of your given diagram. I just clicked your line over here. I made my first click. You can see I am getting an inclined line. So what I am going to do is I am going to press your F8 for ortho on to get a straight line. I just made a second click. Then I just pressed your escape. Clear? Now I have drawn your XY line. See, here we have your left side view, so it will be on your right hand side. So I have to draw your front view over here. So first they are given your radius has been 20 and this radius has been 60. So what I am going to do is I am going to use your line circle command to draw your circle. First I just clicked your circle, I made your center and I have given your radius as 20. Once again circle, same center, your radius as 30. Okay, now once again I use your line command. From here I am going to draw a line. Only I need your top part of your circle, so I have just clicked your modify command trim. I just clicked your circle, which and all no need for mine. Okay, then I pressed your escape. So I just selected your component. I use your move over here. I just moving little bit down. Okay, next the height has been 40 over here. So I just clicked your line. From here 40, total width is 60, once again 40. Okay, next I have to draw a circle over here. Once again your radius has been 30. I just clicked your circle on your center point 30, enter. No need for this line, so I just clicked it and deleted it. And I just clicked your trim. I just trimming your unwanted edges. Okay, next I have to draw this straight line part. See, the width has been 15 and your height has been 30. Okay, so first line from a midpoint, I just clicked 15, sorry, it is a midpoint, so it will be 7.5. your height has been 30, 15, 15. Sorry, your height has been 30. Escape. See students, it is just joined on your curvature. So I just deleted this line. Okay, I am going to use your extend command. Your shortcut for your extend is EX. Enter. Just click this line. Just click this line. Now you can see it has been joined to this point. Okay, now I completed your front view. Next I have to draw your top view. See, on your top view what and all will be, you will be getting a straight line over here. First click your line. I just placed your mouse pointer over here and I moved to your downward direction and I made a first click. I placed your mouse pointer over here. I got my second click. Okay, see over here the width has been 20 students. So 20, 60, 20. Escape. Over here once again it has been 60. So just click your line. 60, 60, 60. Escape. See over here it has been 15 and your total has been 60 over here, here it has been 15, so this width has been 45, this width has been 45 and here it has been 15. I just clicked your line from your midpoint 7.5, 45, 15, 45, 7.5. okay, now I completed my top view. Next I have to draw your side view, students. Over here you can see it has been 20 and 60. okay, your height has been 40 plus 30. So first what I am going to do is I just click your line. From here I am getting a reference point. First it has been 80, 80. okay, and you can see your height has been 30. Escape. Once again your line from here it has been 70, 70. okay, what is the width over here? It has been 20, so 20 and I joined it over here. Escape. Once again line, my first point. Now I have to get this inclined line, students. I have to get this inclined line. It has been 15 from here. So for a reference what I am going to do is I just made a click a line over here and I got a reference line. okay, because that is my top point. So from once again I just clicked your line. From here it has been 15 and I joined it. So no need for this reference line. I've just clicked it and deleted it. So I have to change your entire lines to 0.35 mm thick. So I just clicked your layer and I changed it to 0.35. okay, now I completed your diagram, students. I have to go for your dimensioning. So your command will be dim style, because before starting your dimension we are going to check your style of your dimension. Click modify. See to that on your symbols arrow tab your arrow size is 4, your text height is 5. clear. Then on your primary units it will be 0.00. okay, then close. okay, now here I am going to mark your radius of your circles. For that just click over here, click your radius over here, just select your circle. So it will be giving your radius as R20. Once again this radius is R30. once again radius, this radius is also R30. okay, next I have to mark your height. For that I need your linear. First click, second click, so I got your linear dimension. Once again linear, first click to second click on your same reference line I made a click over here. First click, okay, next I have to mark this width. For that linear, (15), once again linear, 60. okay, once again linear over here, from this point to this point it is 45. So I just selected the entire thing. I will be moving bit closer to your XY line. Move, enter, because I have to write your text to top view at your bottom. Next once again linear, your height has been 30. linear, total it has been 80. linear, it's been 70. clear. So next I have to write your top view, front view and your side view. I just click your text over here. First click, then H, enter. Your text height is 5, so 5, enter. So I'm going to type it as front view, front space VIEW. Close text editor. Just click your move, M, enter, select your text and you have to place it on your center of your diagram. Next text, my first point and second point, because I already fixed my text height is 5. So it is your top view, top space VIEW. Close text editor, select your text, move, enter. Your shortcut for your move is M. Okay, next text over here, first click, your second click, left side view, LEFT space SIDE space VIEW. Close text editor, select your text, move, enter. I just made my first click and second click. Okay, so now I have drawn your orthographic view of your given 3D diagram. Clear? Okay, thank you all.